Good morning, you beautiful people. We just woke up out of our hammocks, and last night has been a rough one again. Interesting one. Rough one, interesting. Not so much sleep. We definitely had bears passing, like, from here to our fire pit. They spent some time here. Some people that stayed here before us have spread out some dog food on the floor. We tried to collect as much as possible last night and burned it in a fire, but the bears came and ate the dog food on the floor next to our hammocks. I slept through it again, literally just next to it. My boyfriend was not able to wake me up. I have really deep sleep, which is a little bit scary sometimes. But after I finally woke up, we still heard the bears all over the whole campsite, different places. They are really quick, really sneaky. It's been probably 8 nights in a row with black bears now, and I'm excited that today we are leaving bear territory, so we will be okay sleeping outside at night and do not have to worry anymore. And now we're actually gonna grab our food bag, head to the lake, which is just 2 minutes down the road, and then we're gonna have breakfast there. I'll take you with, of course. We took the motorbike this morning just because we didn't want to leave our helmets behind, and if you take the helmets, why not also take the bike, right? But it's literally a 3-minute walk away from the campsite, and then you get to this beautiful lakeside. It just started raining. We're still gonna have breakfast here. It is just beautiful. And it is so peaceful, so peaceful. We keep all our food in this dry bag, so it's all together, and it's always easy to store it wherever you want to store it. The only cutlery that we actually use on our camping trip here is a spoon. And I always rinse it in the lake water or whatever water we have available. It's definitely better than not rinsing it, right? Now it's time to pack everything back up. The hammocks, the backpack, organize all our luggage again, and then it's time to head out. Today we're gonna get out of the bear territory, and other than that we don't really know where we're going or where we will sleep tonight. That's always a little adventure. We'll see. You'll see. I'll see. We all will see together, and I will talk to you guys soon. Almost done. It's time to pack the camera away, so I will see you guys. Bye!